welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about foods that are good for the digestive system. The digestive system plays a vital role in our health as it is responsible for absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste. Papaya. Papaya aids in protein digestion. This fruit contains enzymes that break down protein fibers. Papaya is also recommended for patients with infectious diarrhea. Zucchini. Zucchini is high in water and fiber. Regular consumption can help to prevent ulcers and colon cancer. Whole grains. These are good sources of fiber that aid in digestion by softening stool and preventing constipation. Ginger and peppermint tea. These calm the digestive tract, help to ease nausea and vomiting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.